You are about to embark on an extraordinary journey that can transform your financial reality in just 24 hours. Welcome to the powerful Tesla's 369 method, a technique that promises to change not only the way you view money, but also how you attract it into your life. If you're seeking a financial turnaround, prepare yourself for a revelation that could be the turning point you've been looking for. Before we dive into this revolutionary method, let's understand why you are here. Perhaps you're struggling with debts, seeking financial independence, or simply looking for a way to attract more abundance. No matter your current situation, the 369 method has the potential to open new paths and bring the prosperity you desire. This is not just a method, it's a life transformation. But what exactly is the 369 method, and why did Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors in history, place so much importance on it? Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold the secret of the universe. And today, we will apply this secret to unlock your financial prosperity. Let's explore how these mystical numbers can be the key to a new financial reality. Now, let's get to the heart of the 369 method. First, choose 3 powerful money-related affirmations that resonate with your financial goals. Then, repeat these affirmations 6 times a day, investing your energy and belief in them. And, finally, maintain this ritual for 9 consecutive days. It sounds simple, but simplicity is where the power lies. I am attracting abundant financial opportunities and prosperity flows easily to me. I am grateful for my increasing ability to generate wealth and success. Each day brings me more financial abundance and stability. After selecting your affirmations, the next step is to repeat them 6 times a day. Take a moment to really feel and believe in the words you are saying. Visualize wealth and prosperity entering your life as you connect with the energy of these affirmations. And, finally, maintain this ritual for 9 consecutive days. This period is essential to solidify the energy and intention behind your affirmations. While the method seems simple, it's in simplicity that its true power resides. By committing to this process, you are opening the doors to financial transformation and aligning yourself with the universe's frequencies that facilitate the manifestation of wealth. To illustrate the power of this method, let me share some stories of people who transformed their financial lives using the 369. These stories are not only inspiring but also prove that change is possible for everyone, regardless of where you're starting from. But to truly understand the transformative impact of the 369 method, let's dive into real success stories. First, meet Annie, an entrepreneur who struggled to keep her business afloat. After applying the 369 method, she not only saw a significant increase in her profits but also unexpected opportunities began to arise, taking her business to new heights. Next, there's the case of Charles, who was drowning in debts and financial uncertainties. Desperate for a solution, he began practicing the 369 method affirmations with dedication and faith. In a few weeks, Charles not only managed to settle his debts but also found a new path to financial stability through an unexpected promotion at work. And we can't forget Maria, a university student concerned about her future finances. By adopting the 369 method, she not only secured scholarships and internship opportunities but also developed a more positive mindset towards money. These stories are just a glimpse of what's possible when you align your intentions with the powerful frequencies of the universe. They demonstrate that, regardless of your starting point, financial transformation is achievable. The 369 method is more than numbers, it's an empowerment tool that opens doors to a brighter financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Start applying the 369 method in your life today. Remember, change begins with a step, and that step can be now. If you believe in the possibility of a transformed financial life, give yourself the chance to experience the 369 method. And don't forget to share your experiences and progress in the comments below. In conclusion, the 369 method is not just a technique, it's a pathway to financial freedom. Nikola Tesla gave us the keys, now it's your turn to use these keys to unlock the doors of abundance and prosperity. Remember, the universe is ready to respond to your positive vibrations. Believe in the power of 369 and watch the magic happen in your financial life. If you liked this and want to delve deeper, we made a longer video diving deeper into the subject. Before we wrap up, if you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more transformative content like this. Your journey towards abundance starts now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.